So you are probably wondering, what's network engineering all about and how do I get started? If you're into tech, problem solving, and keeping things connected, this might be the perfect career for you. My name is Daniel, and today we are diving into step-by-step guide to becoming a network engineer. I'm going to break it all down: what network engineering is, what skills you need, how to get there, and whether it's worth it. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. So let's dive right in. What is network engineering and what do network engineers do? Alright folks, let's kick things off with the basics. Network engineering is the field focused on the design, implementation, and maintenance of computer networks. Think about the internet, your local Wi-Fi, or the network that connects all the devices in an office. That's all network engineering in action. Network engineers are the ones responsible for setting up and managing all the hardware and software needed for these networks to work properly. This includes things like routers, switches, firewalls, and the actual wiring or wireless infrastructure that connects everything together. They also make sure everything stays secure, troubleshoot issues when things break, and optimize the network to make sure data flows smoothly and quickly. So, essentially, network engineers are the people who make sure that when you send an email, browse the web, or video chat with someone, the data gets where it needs to go, securely and efficiently. It's a pretty important job that keeps the digital world running, folks. What kind of education do you need as a network engineer? Here's the thing, guys. You don't necessarily need to go all the way to a four-year college to get into network engineering, though that can help. The good news is that there are a lot of ways to learn what you need and start your career. Most network engineers start with a solid foundation in computer science or information technology. You can earn an associate degree or even just take some online courses. There are tons of programs that are specifically designed for network administration and engineering. You'll learn about networking fundamentals, how to work with routers and switches, and a lot of the other basics that are key to being successful in the field. But guys, here is the real kicker. Certifications are huge in this field. You'll want to earn certifications like CompTIA Network Plus to cover networking basics. Then you can go on to more specialized certifications, like the Cisco Certified Network Associate, CCNA, or even certifications focused on network security, depending on what part of the field you are most interested in. These certifications are recognized all over the world and can make a huge difference in landing you that first job. So while a college degree can help, it's the hands-on training and certifications that really matter when it comes to becoming a network engineer. Network engineer skill set. Now let's talk about the skill set you'll need as a network engineer. This isn't just about knowing the theory, you've got to be comfortable with the technical side of things too. First up, you will need to know how networks actually work. That means understanding network protocols like TCP, IP, DNS, and HTTP, which are essentially the rules that make communication between devices possible. You will also need to get comfy with the hardware. You'll be working with things like routers, switches, and firewalls. These devices are the backbone of any network, and you'll need to know how to configure and troubleshoot them when things go wrong. In addition to that, guys, you'll need problem-solving skills. A big part of being a network engineer is figuring out why something isn't working and fixing it, whether it's a connection issue, a configuration problem, or even a security breach. You've got to be able to identify the problem and solve it quickly. Another skill you'll need is in network security. With cyber attacks becoming more common, network engineers play a huge role in keeping data safe. You'll need to understand how to protect networks from threats, set up firewalls, and implement other security measures. Lastly, communication skills are key, folks. A lot of the time you'll have to explain complex technical issues to people who aren't tech-savvy. Whether you're working with clients or collaborating with other IT professionals, being able to communicate clearly and effectively is a must. So now you've got some idea about how complex network engineering can get. We're talking about intricate systems, where understanding fundamentals is absolutely critical. That's why I'm excited to tell you about Brilliant.org, a platform that's basically like having a brilliant mentor who breaks down complex technical concepts into digestible, interactive lessons. Look, when I was starting out, I wish I would have a learning platform like this. Brilliant isn't just another online course site, It's like having a world-class mentor teaching you coding and tech skills in the most practical way possible. For anyone wanting to get into web design or programming, their courses are game changers. Want to learn Python? They've got an entire course that gets you writing actual programs from day one. And the best part? You're not just watching boring lectures. You're actually solving problems, building stuff, thinking like a real programmer. I'm talking about learning programming foundations, understanding how variables and loops work, and even building your own games and apps. And it's not just programming. They've got courses in data analysis, math, even AI concepts. Imagine understanding how something like ChatGPT actually works under the hood. The coolest part, you can try everything completely free for 30 days. Plus, if you visit brilliant.org, Daniel, or scan the QR code on screen, or just use my link in the description, you'll get 20% of an annual premium subscription. Trust me, for anyone serious about building tech skills, this is a no-brainer. Thanks so much to Brilliant for sponsoring this video. And now let's get back to the roadmap, a step-by-step guide to becoming a network engineer. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, let's break down the steps you will need to take to become a network engineer. Step 1. Get the right education. First off, start with the basics. As I mentioned, you can begin by earning an associate degree or taking some online courses. This is where you'll learn about the foundational stuff, network protocols, how the internet works, and how to configure basic network devices. Step 2. Earn network certifications. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to start earning certifications. Like I said, certifications are a big deal in this field, and they show employers you've got the skills. Start with something like CompTIA and NetworkWise to cover the fundamentals, then work your way up to more specialized ones, like the CCNA. Certifications show you are serious about your career and that you know your stuff. Step 3. Gain practical experience. Now that you have some education and certifications under your belt, the next step is gaining practical, real-world experience. This is where you put your knowledge to work. Look for entry-level jobs, internships, or even volunteer opportunities in IT support, help desks, or other tech roles. These positions will give you the chance to work directly with networking hardware like routers, switches, and firewalls. The more hands-on experience you get, the better prepared you'll be for a full-time network engineering role. Step 4. Choose your specialization. Once you've gained some experience, the next step is to decide what kind of network engineer you want to be. This is where you can start focusing on a specific area of networking. Some people specialize in network security, some focus on cloud networking, and others might work with large data centers. Specializing allows you to become an expert in a particular field, and it can help you stand out in the job market. If you are passionate about something specific, dive into that area and get more training or certifications related to it. Step 5. Keep learning and stay updated. Finally, the last step is about continuous learning. Networking technology changes fast, and if you want to stay competitive, you've got to keep up with the latest trends and tools. Take advanced certifications, attend networking conferences, or just stay curious and learn new things. It's important to keep improving your skills and expanding your knowledge, so you can keep progressing in your career. Demand for network engineers and salary expectations. Now let's talk about job prospects. The good news, folks, is that the demand for network engineers is huge. As companies rely more on technology and the internet, the need for skilled professionals who can keep networks up and running only increases. Whether it's local businesses, large corporations, or even schools, there are always opportunities out there for network engineers. As for salaries, network engineers can earn a really good living. Starting out, you can expect to make around $50,000 to $60,000 a year. As you gain experience, your salary will increase, with more experienced engineers earning between $80,000 to $100,000. And if you specialize in a high-demand area like network security, you can make even more. Plus, the job outlook is positive, and the pay is competitive compared to many other tech roles. Final thoughts. Is becoming a network engineer worth it? So, is becoming a network engineer worth it? If you love technology, problem solving, And working with cutting-edge systems, it's a fantastic career path. You'll have plenty of job opportunities, a good salary, and the chance to specialize in areas that interest you. Plus, you're always learning and adapting as technology evolves, which keep things exciting. It's not the easiest career path, but with the right education, certifications, and hands-on experience, you can definitely make it happen. And with the demand for network engineers only going up, you can rest assured that there's a bright future ahead for you in this field. So there you have it, guys. If you're thinking about becoming a network engineer, now you know what it takes. Get those certifications, start gaining experience, and who knows, you could be setting up networks for some of the biggest companies out there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time.